in a parking lot of Esteban Mall. It's raining time. It's cloudy. See? So as you can see, it's raining time or raining day. It's a wet weather for today. See? So that's the weather update for today about the updated weather in Canada, Saskatchewan, and the whole week. Same as yesterday, it's raining and windy. Now it's cloudy. Okay, so we need to wait the other updated for this week until tonight. Okay, so just wait the uploaded new another videos blog for today. Okay, so see you guys. Just subscribe, click, share, and comments, and click the button and notification bell for upcoming uploaded videos on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, see you guys.